PDF files often contain sensitive information about people, organizations, and products that need to be protected before sharing. In this demonstration, we will highlight some of the other powerful and easy ways you can use PowerPDF to secure your valuable data with passwords, encryption, permissions, and even digital rights management. Imagine you have a legal document or agreement that you want to secure before sharing it with an outside party. With our document open in PowerPDF, I'll click the security icon to open its ribbon toolbar, and then I'll click the document security icon. Select Security Properties, and the Document Properties window displays. Here you can see a summary of permitted actions. You also have the option to select various levels of security from the Security Method menu. You can, of course, build a PDF with no security. Or you can select password security, as we're doing here. PowerPDF offers support for all of the most recent levels of PDF security, including PDF 1.7, 256-bit for high security. We can restrict document opening based on password, but be careful. If you lose the password, you lose access to the document. We could also set various levels of permissions based on password. For our example, we'll select None to indicate that no changes are permitted unless the permission password is shared. In this example, we will enter in a permissions password, which will give other users permission to make changes, providing they have been provided the permissions password. It's also important to mention that PowerPDF honors the digital rights set by FileOpen, a well-known DRM company whose technology protects documents for some of the largest companies in the world. PowerPDF will notify the user if they lack the FileOpen rights to view or act upon the file. So, to continue with securing our document with a permissions password, we'll click OK. A password window appears so that you can confirm the password you previously set. Enter the password and click OK. A message window asks you to save your document to apply your security settings. Click OK. Back in our document, let's save it as agreementsecured.pdf so that we know it has been protected. Back on the desktop, we'll double-click our document file to open it. As you may remember, this document was created with security. This document security placed restrictions to make any edits or modifications, and that requires a password to allow any changes or edits to be made. So you will notice that when I try to change this file by attempting to convert this document to a Word document and click OK, you will see that a password security window appears. In order to work with this document, we'll need to enter our password and click OK. Our document opens, and we're now ready to read, review, and edit it as we wish. These are just some of the examples of the robust and easy-to-use document security options available with PowerPDF.